post-cable camera inspection. Right here, this line was cleared about 10 minutes ago. This water is constantly flowing from upstream from here. I'm not sure if somebody's draining a tub up in one of the units or if multiple people are, but it's a steady flow going there. But as you can see, that water's all flowing out. So I'm going to start pulling back from here to show you guys the location of the clog. So right here is where the buildup is happening, and it's right at the end of this liner material, or SDR35, whatever that is. Right where it ends, it's gathering on that lip, and part of the reason behind that is if you pull back, we have a huge belly right here. So as you can see right there, you got standing water where there's no grade at all right there. So you got basically a little puddle there that slows down all the waste right before it hits that lip. As you can see, the water coming from upstream, they're just draining down. It's just going steadily now, and this is all the way backed up, filling the bathtub here in the unit. So quite a bit of water is in there. Let's watch this for another couple seconds. Yeah, that's a lot of water coming out. I don't know what's going on with that. But yeah, so basically all your waste comes downstream, hits this puddle, slows down, the water leaves it behind, then it hits this lip where it comes back up and it's not able to get over it, and then when it does get over it, it's got another lip of a rough hard edge right there. Looks like concrete, maybe really rough concrete. And this just drain all the way down there. Yeah, so let's start pulling back. That water's just going to keep going. Alright, back out of the belly. As you can see, so the waste will come through here, drop into the belly, and then go over that lip. I highly recommend somebody have that location found and replaced, restore the grade so that the waste will flow properly. As you can see, this is all clear still too. This is the line that was individually completely full. There's no tie-ins. It appears it is an individual line. Lucky for the tenant downstairs that it's an individual line, so none of that water was actually overflowing out of the tub. Once he figured out he was backed up, he was able to stop. That was also a hint that was telling me that it's not connected as before all the other lines tied in. Looks like we got black ABS. Turn, another turn, quite a few turns in there. Another turn.